welcome back to my channel Reasons Galaxy, and today I'm unboxing something really cool. Yeah, that's something really cool. And if you don't say that's not cool, then I don't know what is this. So let's unbox this. I'll place you guys right here. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, or now. I'm gonna unbox this. So if you guys want to see the inside, I have this. You can see it, I think so at least. And now let's open it. So first we have to do this. I don't have scissors with me right now. I want to go get it right now. So I'm gonna peel it off. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rip it. And that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get this thing out of here. Really cool thing. I don't know what more cool is this, but I don't know what should I say, or what should I not say about this. Oh no, I don't have scissors with me right now. So how am I gonna box this? Just 1 second, wait guys. Wait for 1 second, I'm coming. Okay, so let's see this now. Let's see if you guys are okay. So now we're gonna cut it gently. I know how to cut, so let's get started. Okay, so let's cut one piece off right here. Uncuttable. Okay, first we have to do this. Cut this first, but it isn't cutting. Why is that? I don't know, but it should cut. What the freaking words is this? Come on, please don't tell me it didn't cut. Oh yeah, I have to do this now. I don't know why I'm doing this, but okay, there's one string left. What is this right now? Okay, I have a lot of guys. Now we got the figure. So yeah. So we got the figure now. Yes. So we got the figure now. What the heck? No. So we got the figure now. Let's attach this tail to the figure. Come on, bro. What is happening? Come on! What? Come on, bro. Now don't tell me I cannot attach the tail. Please don't tell me that. I'm real sorry, guys, but I have to leave this chair now for at least 2 seconds. And no, I didn't leave the door, but yeah. So I don't know how I'm gonna attach it, but I will somehow. What is this? Why is this not happening? Why is this not happening? Actually, why is this not happening? Should be happening right now, but it's not. Does that make sense? No. Do I know that word? No. Do I like this toy? Yes. What is this, huh? Huh? What is this? Mattel, please make your toys a little bit more easier. I liked your Ender Dragon. That was cool. It's like very helpful. I like your toys very much, but this toy, I like it, but it's not like. Yes, I do like it. I know I like it, but one thing is this is very hard to attach. Okay. That's my thing. And it's not attaching. Mattel, please make your toys a little bit easier. That's it. I'm not gonna attach this anymore. Okay, so this. First, then we have this. Okay, what is this? The Blue Godzilla. Yeah, that is what it is. Okay, this is his breath. And what is happening? I don't know what is happening, but why is his breath like that? What's happening? Let's see the instructions. I don't know what to do. Okay. Step 1. Dip the tail in warm water for about 20 seconds. Okay, I'll do that. And then, guys, seriously, do this for 20 seconds. Okay, bye. I'm not seeing you guys. I am seeing you guys. And bye. So I did the tail.